ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಸೇಂಟ್ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೂತನ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ನಡೆಯಿತು.
ನೂತನ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಕೋಚ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಪದಕ ವಿಜೇತರಾಗಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಮಹಾಂತ್ ಅವರು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದ್ರು. ತದಬಳಿಕ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ಕ್ರೀಡೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ನೀಡುವ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಂತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
A chance given to everyone by Aloysius College to get introduced to table tennis. But as you guys know, without any direction with any sport, you might not reach anywhere. The institution to get a collaboration with Mr. Shubham, who is already a well-known player in the state circuit, and right now he is ready to coach the budding players of Mangalore. So I'm feeling really happy that this collaboration is happening, and hopefully many players from Mangalore come up to play this game to the next level, as well as achieve some good laurels to the city as well as the country. So I'm here with my fellow mate Shubham, who had been practicing with me from childhood, and we had played many matches together. We had had many tournament experiences together. And hopefully he will be successful in sharing all the things what he has learned with you people and as well as the young people of Mangalore. So I would like to thank everyone who are present here, and mainly all the students and his parents who have come up to support him to make this happen, as well as the director of the institution as well lending this support to him, and hopefully things get well, and waiting for many players to come and play in the state ranking tournaments. So thank you one and all.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನ ವಹಿಸಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಹಣಕಾಸು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಫಾದರ್ ವಿನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಪಿಂಟು ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರೂ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಇದೊಂದು ಸದುಪಯೋಗವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Ground will be bigger, and therefore greater opportunities for all of you, not only you, all the students, not only our students, also students of other colleges and also in and around Mangalore. We encourage a talent everywhere. We need medals for India, and those medals not only will come from Those medals not only will come from St. Aloysius College, also in and around Mangalore. And we have today the renowned coach Mahanta, Akshay Mahanta, like that, and also we have Shubham Satvik, who are taking so much interest in people to train, and Satvik is training our students here. Similarly, we believe if Mr. Bopanna 40 plus can become number one player in tennis in the world, that is doubles, tennis doubles, I think if you work hard, you can achieve anything that what Mr. Bopanna has shown by winning other day and becoming number one doubles tennis player in the world. I am very happy that now we have started this table tennis academy. Every field is important. So among the students, we don't have a monotype of game. Just like talents, we don't encourage only one type of talent. We encourage it.
ಈ ವೇಳೆ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಅರುಣ್ ಡಿಸೋಸಾ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ತರಬೇತುದಾರರಾದ ಶುಭಂ ಎನ್ ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ್ ವಂದಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಡೇಸಾ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಕಾವೂರು, ವಿ4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.